Alright, so in this episode, we are going to be setting up the ability to edit courses. So let's head into the course resource that we created with Filament. And in this resource, we want to have a few different fields. So to get started with, let's head in and add in the fields that we're going to be able to edit. So we're going to make a couple of text input fields where we're going to say make title. We want one here, we're going to make the slug. Duration, although we're going to automatically calculate that, but for now we will still make it settable in case you want to add your own custom duration. There could be many reasons for that. And we want the duration text to be duration in minutes. Then we also want to have a rich editor, which is going to have the description field, and we're going to make that required. And we're going to have a curator picker for the image, which is going to be mediating with a label of image. Down in this table here where we're going to have the columns, we're going to have a curator column, which you can set to media ID. And we're going to have a label of image. I'm going to put this down on a new line. We're going to have a size of 60. We're going to have a ring of 2. And we're going to have a title, slug, duration. And I want to make these searchable. Just like that. Alright, so with that, and then here you can see if we go ahead and say test and put in 30 here, add in a media file, you can see the curator has been properly installed. We can just select any given image here. So if I go in and select this image here, for example, and I then click insert when it's been uploaded, you can see that it works super smoothly. So if we go into the courses table here, you can now see that we got everything sorted here. So we do have the issue of this image not appearing properly so far. So let's head into the course model in our editor. You can see that we somehow didn't set the media ID, and it's probably because we have to set this as fillable, and we need to make sure that inside the course resource that this media ID is fillable. So if we head into our editor again, we select add media, select that one, insert it, and you can see it works fine on that anyways. Let's check if it works in here, and it does. That's perfect. So that's all for this video. Thank you very much for watching it, and I'll see you in the next one.